welcome back to No Place Like Home. And today I have my granddaughter with me today. Hi!
Hey!
And we're going to decorate our Christmas tree today. Okay, and first of all, I'd like to thank all my subscribers. I'd like to thank all my new subscribers. Thank y'all for supporting me and watching my videos. I really appreciate y'all doing that. We're gonna get started. Okay, here we go. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna put our roll of ribbon on first. And we're gonna put one just straight down the middle, one on each side, and then one in the back. And it's gonna be silver and gold. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and do my topping. We got our topping on, we got our ribbons on. Now we're gonna start putting the ornaments on. Okay, now we're gonna put the little sticks in. Okay, so next we're gonna put the little birds on. I think I got these from Walmart last year on after Christmas sale. I always buy my stuff after Christmas because they'll be a whole lot cheaper than you try to buy them before. So the best time to get all your ornaments is after Christmas. If you want to fill up your space and you still have some space on your tree, I really don't have no more space on my tree. But if you have space in your tree, you always can use little flowers to stick off in them to cover up some of the empty space. Okay, so this is our final results of our Christmas tree decoration. I think we did a great job. You like to turn the lights on, Zaya? Right there.
Just plug them in?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's pretty.
Okay, so this is with the lights on. I just think we did an awesome job. So I'm gonna give a close-up look of all the decoration that we have on it. Okay, so this is our final results of our tree. I think we did a good job. What do y'all think? I'd like to thank y'all for watching our video today. And I thank my granddaughter for being with me today and helping me with decorating the tree. I think she did a good job. Y'all show us some love. Y'all be blessed and be safe. And we'll see y'all in the next video. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.